Oh my gosh, the hardest thing I've ever had to do was try to focus this all by myself. My gosh, I need like a focus remote or something. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Asia here. If you're new to my channel, we are going to be doing this look. I'm just going to hop right in. Get ready to be zoomed in super close to my face where you can see all of my little itty bitty pores. They're not actually itty bitty. They're quite large. You're going to see them. Let's get started. Water, water everywhere, and not a drop to drink. I really need to drink more water. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, oops, I am missing some light on that side of my face. Oh, here. I just purchased the cutest. Look at these. Look how cute. Eyes, lips, face. I mean, that's what we're about to work on. So, I don't even feel like talking. Like, I literally don't want to say anything. I just want to do my makeup. You know, like when I sit down and I do my makeup, like this is the time for me to catch up on my YouTube videos that I've been missing and just kind of get familiarized with what everybody else is doing, you know, in their lives. So, I mean, it's like this like happy, quiet place, you know. Guys, too loud. I hope that I remember to tell you guys what products I'm using, because I was watching a tutorial earlier and using this MAC to sculpt my brows. I was watching a tutorial earlier and I was like, for the life of me, please tell me what these products are, because I don't know. Alright, you guys are in really close. I am going to be using two of the Morphe 9 palettes, the Morphe 9A and 9C. That doesn't matter. I'm going to be using the two Morphe palettes, the ones that I just got that I talk about on my Twitter all the time. These palettes are absolutely amazing. I've been using the 9A. This, not that one, this color right here, it's called Aware. I've been using it as a base color when I put the concealer on my eyes, so that is what I'm gonna throw on right now. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Morphe. Obviously, I have been using, obviously it is well used. I'm going in with the Morphe 9C. I'm going to start out with the color Stone Fox and put that in my crease. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my lid. Like, what do I want on my lid space? It looked like I was picking my nose. What are we going for on the lid today? Oh. I don't know. No idea what I want to put on my lid. I was not wanting to do anything like glittery or sparkly or anything like that. So now I gotta figure out what the heck I'm gonna put on my lid. You know what? I'm just gonna use the Morphe 9C palette. Like, I'm just gonna use what is inside of this palette, and I'm not gonna stress out about it. If that means we're gonna put some shimmer, no, we're not gonna do shimmer. We're just gonna use, I'm gonna use Rich Girl, actually, because I've used all the other ones, but I haven't used Rich Girl yet. So let's throw on some Rich Girl. And I'm just gonna kind of blend the Rich Girl up into, you know what, I don't know if I've used this. I feel like I have used this before, but I promised when I got up to do my makeup today, I said that I was gonna do something natural, that, you know, because I have dance today, I wasn't gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna stop saying that, because look at what happens. This is what my hands do. I just let it go free. Like, just. They're gonna act up when I try to fix them, watch. Good Lord. Every time I have one job. Eyeliner, one job. I don't think I want any shimmers in my eyes. Okay, maybe a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I'm gonna go in with Purple Rain in my inner corner. Every time I use that, I want to be like, purple rain, purple rain. That is enough. That is enough shimmer. Like, it's like barely there. Like, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's like, I didn't want to like do too much. You know what I mean? I say that after I do too much. BT dubs. I am putting brown on my BT dubs. Who still says that? I say that. I'm putting brown on my lower lash line. I feel like the brown in the lower lash line just, it's not as you know, but it's still like, if that makes any sense at all. Just picked up Lilly lashes. I am loving these lashes, guys. Oh my gosh. These are the style Miami, and the box opens up. Don't let me miss these dang lashes. The box opens up like chow. Oh, look at those. They are some sexy lashes. So I was talking about these lashes on my Snapchat the other day, the Miami lashes from Lilly Lashes. Oh my gosh, they are so freaking gorgeous, and I cut them just slightly to put them onto my eye. Like, by slight I mean absolutely slight. And these lashes, I didn't cut the inner corner, I actually cut the outer corner, which is different than, you know, what most everybody will tell you to do. But I didn't want to ruin the inner corner look. You know, there's like the, just how it flares out. I didn't want to cut off that inner corner, that up there. So I cut the outer corner just slightly, like I said, and it just gave it the perfect, like, these are like the perfect snug, most snug lashes ever. And they sent over a cute little you know, lash cutting scissors, which Jonathan has taken it upon himself to think that these are for cutting his mustache, but that's okay. Like, that's okay. Still cutting hair, so just clean them after I've used them on his mustache. That corner over here is not happy with me today, but I really don't think it's going anywhere, so we're not about to, if it ain't broke, don't fix it kind of thing, right? It's time for the face. It is time for the face. What am I going to do to the face? My eyes are looking mighty top heavy, so I'm gonna put a little bit of Rich Girl underneath. Alright, yeah, I like this brush for putting that color under my eye. Like, I usually have a hard time finding a brush that's gonna do it like well. So now I'm gonna grab a smaller brush and blend out that color that's under my eye, because I don't want it to be so like, I don't want it to be just kind of like, you know, Rich Girl, boom, that's it. So I'm gonna go in with Stone Fox on the tip of this and just blend out the edges under there. And it's not really gonna do too much, but it's gonna kind of give me a nice blend, you know. I'm not really doing it for the purpose of adding color, but it's gonna blend it out really nice. To be honest, I don't know where this lip liner came from, but I really like it. I'm gonna put it in the description box for you guys too, so make sure you check the description box for all of the products that I've used, because I'm gonna list them down there. Some setting spray. Woot! What do we think about that look? Let's do some of those slow-mo shots, right? Okay, like this. Alright, this is how I did this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did not enjoy it and you want to give me a thumbs down, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what it was that I could have done to make this video better for you. If you like this video, then make sure you give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that I should continue making more videos. I mean, I'm going to continue making more videos anyways, because I like them. Because I love makeup. I'm just saying, I gotta clean off my table. If you really like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, you guys. I am so grateful for all of you who have subscribed thus far. To make life easier for you, I'm gonna add my floating head to help you to subscribe. It's gonna be probably like right there. And then I'm gonna add another video up there for you so that you can go watch more videos. Although, you know, some of my earlier videos were quite cringy, so you might not want to go back too far. I'm just saying. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.